Good morning, madam. I am B. Balaji from Reply Department. Now I am here to explain about intellectual property rights. What is meant by intellectual property rights? Intellectual property rights means it is an creation of human mind, tangible property. Their creation has a value and as with all property, it needs to be protected. Intellectual property rights gives them this protection as well as helping them exploit and control their IPs. And then the exclusive right grant by state to prevent others from using manufacturing, distributing and invention processes, applications and new and original designs, trademarks and new varieties are the databases and artistics and literary works. Such a person knows as rights owner and rights holder. And coming to constitutional aspects of intellectual properties, the constitution plays an important part in helping courts and uh, legislative arrives at any justify a balance between conflicts. So there was an article 1.8 by specifically providing to promote the progress of science and arts by securing for the limited times to authors and inventors the exclusive right to their respective writings and discoveries. So there was a Constitution 44th Amendment Act at 1978 struck off by the right to property. So this was the article, and then it was put under Article 300A in the right to property. And uh, there are some types of intellectual property rights, industrial designs and patents and trademarks and trade secrets and geographical indications and copyrights. These six are the intellectual property rights. And here we can see uh, design deals with features, shape, pattern, etc. This is industrial design. And patents means it is a monopoly right granted to a person who invented a new product or process making an article for 20 years under the Indian Patents Act 1970. And coming to trademark, the trademark can be one word, name, brand, symbol, label, etc. used by a company to create a unique identity for their product. And coming to trade secrets is an intellectual work or product used for a business purpose that can be classified as belonging to that business provided it is not based on information in public domain. Geographical indications means this is an indication that originates from a definite geographical area which is used to identify natural or manufactured product. And copyrights, it is a negative right which prevents the appropriation of the fruits of a man's work, labor or skill by other person. Copyright is an exclusive legal right to reproduce an original work of authorized fixed in any tangible medium or expression. And these are the registered and unregistered of rights: patent, trademarks, design rights. These are the registered and unregistered copyrights, unregistered design rights, common law trademarks. So like this, these are the unregistered ones. And this is a patent designed by the Thomas Jefferson in 1790 to provide brief legal monopoly to give the inventor an opportunity. And this was the industrial design which was invented at design rules of 2001 Act of 2000 at the year. And trademark was invented at Trademarks Act 1999 defines trademarks as a mark capable of being represented graphically. And these are the basic trademarks which you can observe in our daily life. And trade secrets. A trade secret is not protected by federal law. It can be only protected through employment contact and maintaining tight security. And these are copyrights. Copyright is a monopoly right, restraining other from exercising that right which has been conferred conferred or the owner of copyright. So this was my topic, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am.